Hello guys, thank you for watching Flourish by Flora, and if you're new here, please do subscribe so you will see more videos like this. Thank you. Okay guys, in today's video I'm going to show you my new plants, and these plants guys, they are tough plants to have in the house. They are indoor plants, and they are they are included in the plants that the NASA studied, that they have the ability to neutralize the air inside the house. So if you got these plants guys inside your house, the air in your house will filter into a good one into a good air. It removes the toxic air inside your house, and it makes the air in the house cleaner, and people in the house will be easier to breathe. Okay guys, so the first one that I'm going to show you is this succulent. This is a good plant for beginner, because it is very tough. It's tough in two ways. Like these leaves are tough. Like, it looks like, when you see it, it looks like plastic, but in fact it's not plastic. And this is very tough. Even though you don't water it for a long time, it survives. But of course you water it. You want to deprive your plants with water, right? Okay, but this is a very tough plant. You cannot kill this. So if you forgot to water it, and then if you remember to water, then water it, and then it thrives. It doesn't die, because I already got one, and I like it so much because that is a long time ago and it's still alive, and I am so amazed with this succulent. So, and I don't know the name of this succulent guys. Before I know it, and now I forgot. So I will let you next time. I will let you what is the name
on the label.
What is the name of this? I know this is succulent. So I know this is type of hang on. Ideal for worms. This is haworthia. This is haworthia guys. There. So if you want to buy a succulent that lasts longer, this is the best plant for you, especially when you are a beginner. So that is the nice plant. You see that pretty? And look at that markings in here. It's like it's embossed. So, and it's very nice, but it's spiky. But the spike is very soft. It's very soft. Okay, so that is the first one, and the second one is this, and I don't know what's the name of this. So this is Gasteria. So I will put the name in the description below, the name of this. This is Gasteria, and this is a tough plant as well. So look, and this is very hard, and it lasts longer as well. And the best thing with this is, look, it produces babies. So when you buy succulent, look for the one with the babies already, because it's good value for money. Because when the baby is a bit bigger, you can transplant it, then you can have more plants. So that's a very good one. See, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, I got 6 babies in here. That's nice. That's amazing. I like Gasteria, because when you water it, it retains water in the leaves. So even though you don't water it for a long time, even though the soil is already dried, and it's still, it thrives itself. It flourish.
Flourish by Flora.
Yeah, that's why it's flourishing. So this is a good plant for the beginner as well. So, And that's the good tip, guys. When you buy a plant, look for lots of babies, so you will have more plant out of one plant. Isn't that amazing? So that is the succulent. They are succulent. So, and now, guys, this is the nice one. So this is banana musa, banana plant. So this is an indoor plant, and this is this is ornamental, guys. It doesn't produce fruit, but it's just an ornamental. I don't know, maybe it will produce fruit. And this one, this is the mother plant, and there are two babies in here. So it's nice. I'm so happy because that's what bananas are. They produce babies all the time. Once this is become matured, it will produce babies. So that's a good one if you got bananas. But you have to look after it because um, they like watering, but not too soggy. So, so it's nice. Oh, it's so nice. I love bananas to eat as well and to look after. So this one have the ability to make the air in the house it neutralize the air in the house. So that's very good. See, there's a small leaves in there. Isn't that amazing, guys? Because the new leaves they are rolled, and then as they are mature, it opens up. It becomes like this. See that? It's like a cigarette. So that's very nice. I love it. I love this thing because, and look at the leaves, guys. There's a tinge of quite maroon thing there. It looks like it's dirty, but that is the color. It's amazing. So once the leaves gets matured, it becomes yellow and then brown. So this is getting old. That's why there's a yellow and brown in there. But leave it there because that makes the energy in there. There's still energy for the plant. Yeah. So this is a good plant to have indoors, especially for beginners. Okay, and the next one, guys, is one of the best plant that neutralize the air according to NASA study. So this one is the Dracaena Janet Craig. It's a fragrance. So I don't know why it says fragrance. So maybe this will produce flowers. I haven't had this before, so this is my first time to have this. That's why when I saw it in the shop and I saw that it's a Dracaena Janet Craig, I know that is one of the plants that the NASA suggested to have in the house, indoor plants that cleans the air indoors. So this is a good plant to have. So you can buy a few of these and then put it in all the rooms in your house. So the quality of air inside your house will become nicer, fresher, and cleaner. So there's no toxic air inside your house. So that's very good. So this is only indoor because indoors is good to have clean air indoors. So outdoors is it's okay. It's fine. I guess you can plant this outdoors as well, but what I know this is yeah, it says house plant, so it's only indoors. So this is the plant I'm showing you guys. So thank you for watching. So I love these plants, guys. I love plants because when you have plants in the house, the quality of air magically transform. So that's cute, isn't it? Even though it's only like this, no flowers, but the leaves emits cleaner air. So That's a good thing. So this is it for today, guys. The plants for today. And if you want to buy any of these plants for your house, so it's very good. So it will assure you for a cleaner air inside your house. And thank you for watching, and see you on my next video. Ta-ra! Love, love, love.